Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today's our topic is going to be on artificial intelligence. So recently I have been also learning a lot more on this topic. So I thought of starting a playlist for this. So artificial intelligence in the name itself we see right, two different things are there. Artificial and intelligence. Intelligence is always, related to the humans where we use our brain and try to think intelligently and act upon things and do problem solving or do any activity. So, when this intelligence is going to be artificially provided to some computers or machines in the form of data, a set of algorithms, and made make them to mimic the actual human behavior. That concept is going to be called as artificial intelligence. In technology level terms, if you say it's going to basically deal with computers and machines that will help to simulate the human intelligence and thereby help to solve the problems and day-to-day activities in across various fields. So this AI is not going to be working separately. It is dependent on two various other factors. One is deep learning and another is machine learning. Often people tend to confuse these three terms as a single thing, like AI, deep learning, ML, everything are the same, but nothing like that. If we take deep learning, it is a subset of machine learning. So deep learning is going to be the kind of smallest one in this area. So which is coming in the first place. It actually deals with a set of neural networks, like artificial neural networks, which will mimic the human neural systems. So there will be a set of algorithms which will help it to do so. So these deep learning models is going to act as a subset of machine learning, where they'll connect with the neural networks artificial manner. And then comes the ML, which is a subset of AI. So above deep learning, it's going to be the machine learning over that. So it is a subset of AI. It deals with set of algorithms where they feed some data to the systems and helps the machine learn automatically, okay, without any explicit programming being involved in that. So by feeding data, they'll help that machine more and more to learn, okay, this is the data, this is the way you have to react it, this is the data, you have to do this task. So like that, they're getting the machine trained. Okay, so that is concept of machine learning. So deep learning is one concept, and above that, it's a machine learning, and overall, it's going to be AI. So these are all basically interconnected, but in the subset manner, if you see, under AI, it will be machine learning. Under machine learning, it will be deep learning. Okay. So this is how this whole concept works. So in general, over narrow or broader way, we can say AI is a science to make machines to mimic human behavior in all aspects, wherever it is possible and applicable. Okay. This artificial intelligence has, gone into many phases of various industries. So we'll see one or two examples at the last. Okay. But for now, we'll see the broader category on this AI. Artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. So artificial narrow intelligence, the name itself says narrow, a narrow path. Okay. It's like a kind of another name called weak AI because this kind of AI concept will apply for doing some specific task. Say, for example, take an Alexa. Okay. You can just give some commands and use Alexa to give you back the answers or do some task. So it is very minimal usage, right? So that's a kind of narrow intelligence example. And take artificial general intelligence. So the term goes broader, the general, okay? So for general purposes, for across industries, this concept is being used where the machine possesses the ability to perform various intellectual tasks that a human will be able to do in real. So what are the examples? Okay. First of all, you can take the automated vehicles, the Tesla cars where it is being automated, like self-driven cars. And in healthcare industry, if you take the IBM Watson, where lots and lots of medical data is being, analyzed and make some predictions or decisions on future patients. So these are all some main areas where general intelligence is now, like now emerging, and somewhere it is being practiced also. But still, there are a lot more to be developed in this area. And the third one comes as a super intelligence. As the name suggests, it is super, and it is like superstitious, we can tell that we won't be able to believe what that kind of AI is going to bring in up for us. So it is referred to as a future AI, where it will surpass the human capability, and the computers will be going into the advanced field of AI. Like they'll be very capable of doing things comparatively to human activities. So they'll cross our level of intelligence. That one is called super intelligence, but super intelligence is not in practice now. Just as a theory, all the people who are working in this field, they are predicting that the super intelligence might emerge into the world and come into an act like after like 30, 40 years maybe. So we are also not sure, but we have to ready to learn this new technology and be ready to work along with it. So there are like many talks also. This artificial intelligence is going to, bring up bad things. But on the other side, few are telling like no, it is like contributing more to the humans and other industries. Many things are there. So anything, if we take advantage and disadvantage, always it's going to be there. But for now, artificial intelligence is like more working in a positive manner, as we can see across industries. Okay, see, for example, if you want to go through some documents, okay, huge set of documents, but you don't have time, there is an artificial intelligence system where you can feed the documents and ask it to look for the legacy of that, or what you want to do some summarization of a big set of text or documents. That one it can do. You want to bring up some images artificially, that it can do. It can make any kind of videos to be made, or any kind of works, a customer support. Previously, n number of issues all the customers has to report manually. Then came up the electronic system, then IVS system. So step by step, they are making it into a digital process. So with the help of artificial intelligence, many common queries will be answered by the chatbots or the help assistants. Okay, the manual intervention doesn't need to be there, so that those humans' time can be utilized for some more uh, advanced kind of efficient work. Their time will be saved, and it can be utilized for some other purpose. So we can be, if you're going to ask for any examples like this, n number of examples are there. So you take any platform where you go and do some online shopping. If you start typing a word, say for example, you want to search for a handbag, okay? But if you start typing hand, it will give you more suggestions. Handbag, okay, uh, handle, many things which are associated to hand. So based upon your search history or order history, or what is your interest, these data are collected and analyzed. So the system will pre-populate with a set of values like this. So hand wash, anything, okay. And if you are going to like this, if you're going to do some search, this search engines is working. Instead of telling this online shopping, if you take this Google search engine, that itself working on that kind of concept only. So it is making every people's life easy, right? So uh, this emerging technology has got a lot more positive things than to see on the negative aspects, which many people predict that in future it might, put people to be getting unemployed easily like that. But to me, if you ask, always to learn some technology and keep us updated is going to keep us on market. So that's how even I started to learn this new technology, and I'm sharing this with you all. If you are also interested to learn this kind of emerging technologies and also the old ones, obviously, if you see my playlist, many old playlists are there across domain, across like Scrum Master things, BA things, various roles also we are trying to cover up. So if you find this video interesting, guys, please do share it with your friends. And any important topic you want us to cover, please do mention it in comments. Okay, we'll try to come up with a video for you as well. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and support us. Okay, for all the existing subscribers, thanks for watching and uh, keep all this loaded. Okay. Nowadays, I'm not able to make up some videos regularly because I've got a lot more learning assignments at my workplace. But I'll try to, work out on some good videos and really come up with some good content for you as well. Until then, it's a Vicky signing off, guys. All of you take care. Bye.